Hello. I'm waiting in the Tim Hortons lineup to get some tea on my way to work, and I'm not enjoying the weather. It was perfectly fine 10 seconds ago, and now it looks like this. Do you see the snow and everything? Like, who said this was okay? Who? Come on, nature. You gotta get with it. I'm not impressed. Not impressed at all. But Roll Up the Rim is back, which is why I'm excited. Because I have a free coffee. And I'm gonna get tea with it if they let me, which they usually do. I really don't have anything to say. I was just very angry about this weather. Tim Hortons, well, Wendy's. Anyhow, that is that. That's all I had to say. Bye.